Can you believe I'm fishing in the Wolf Creek and just walking distance to Starbucks? We got a new home for sale and you got to check it out.
There's access to all kinds of shopping from this home. And yes, I did just walk here.
I see you walked to Starbucks.
I did, brought you back a cold drink.
Very nice, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm Nate.
I'm Vanessa, and together we're Team Taylor with Berkshire Hathaway. Today we are at 134 Buckingham Court in beautiful Grass Valley, California.
In other words, the Buckingham Palace.
Yes, it is. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac, there's lots of surprises.
Let's take a look. All right, here we are. We've got almost 2,000 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath on the main level. Check out that view, honey.
We're in the trees up here.
Definitely. We've got fresh interior paint, granite countertops, new appliances. What else?
Pretty floors. It's move-in ready.
It is.
This space is awesome.
Sure is.
We're here among the trees, the tranquil sounds of nature, birds, and the creek.
Yep. And I'd put a barbecue right there.
Great for entertaining.
Right.
There's access outdoors from this house, from the living room, the master, and one more space. So here's the bonus space. You could use it as a game room, an extra living room, a spot to do yoga, and drum roll.
Has a shop too, with a half bath. Pretty cool.
If you'd like to see this home or any other homes in the area, or if you're thinking about selling, please reach out.
We'd love to connect.